And we're back, Pacific Appliance, repair.com. So this is the walk-in cooler which we're working, and this is a kind of really easy problem, to be honest, but we solve it. For some people it's very difficult problem. They called us and said that their unit is overcooling. Here's the unit. It's small, relatively small walk-in cooler. You can see, small unit. It is like kind of not really big area inside. You can see, very tight. And they called us and said that all products it's overcooling. So we decided to install controller. We check this temperature control not working. Somebody came. Somebody came and installed this type of temperature control, which, as you can see, really Mickey Mouse look, like in the regular one. Instead of that one, instead of this one, I never saw it, by the way, first time in my life. They installed this one, and this is the capillary tube. They just throw here this way, and original one is here. So we decided to install controller. Let me show you what will I do. I will here cut the square and we'll put the controller. Let me show you the controller. So I'll show you right now. This is the controller that I have. This one, you can see. So what will I do? I will just cut here in this place with my Dremel, cut, install this and do all connections. And that I will also demonstrate. So I will pause right now, put it on pause. I will do all preparation and then I will detailedly explain what I did. So this is job which not everybody know how to do it, but it's so helpful, I would say. And it's give you very precise temperature, and they will never complain again that unit got frozen or overcooling or something else, because controller has ability to go to defrost, and I can schedule defrost whenever I can, like how many times I want. So here is my controller. Once again, here is my Dremel, and I will cut here and install it. So I pause now. So this is my controller. I just cut the hole here, you can see. I just cut this hole, and now my controller will go here, like that. And this is where the cover. So it will be this way. And now I will show you the schematic, and I will do whole wires. So the schematic is very simple. If you can see, terminal 1, terminal 2, it's power 120 volt. Then I will apply power to the cooler, to the common, which is terminal number 4, and to the solenoid valve, which is here. I will connect it to the cool. So let me prepare everything, and I will describe what I did after I am ready to do it. All right? Okay. Basically, I connected this controller here on this one, on that one. You can see, and I scheduled the connections here. If you can see, hopefully you can. So not comfortable to picture. You see, 120 is here, goes to here, power. Then this is 2 wires, which is also goes. 2 wires here also go to motor. This wire, it goes to motor. I just 1 second, let me show everything. So this is 120 volt power coming, 120, which is coming to my controller and feed the controller. 120. I'm sorry. 120. Now I gave the bridge bypass to my common terminal from here to here. This is my common terminal, and now this is terminal cool, which is here, going all the way to solenoid. This wire is for solenoid. The second wire goes to the solenoid. So So one end of solenoid, which is 120 volt, I feed from this wire, and another end goes through the controller. And this is the sensor, which just goes here, you see. You can see it, hopefully you can go there, and coming out from here, this is the sensor, which I will tie after all I will tie it. So basically that's what it is. And now I will program this thing. We'll program it. So I turn on the fence. This is my switch. I turn on the fence, and controller start. First of all, it does this. Then I go push set button. You see, it's already was ready. And I do some type of programming, which is I just know it on heart. First of all, I will put it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I will schedule it. Then I go here, like a lot of parameters that I'm not gonna explain right now, and I will also so this is defrost. No, let me do it first. Set point 32. I will do it 34, let's say 34 degrees. Set point, then I go to my HRSS. HRSS I will put 5 degrees. HRSS it means like cut in, cut out. I put 34 degrees, then I will put this 5 degrees, so it will goes off on 39 and will start on 34. So this is will be work between temperature range between 34 to 39, and this will be very good desired temperature. So I will schedule and adjust. This is all controller has his own instructions. I just generally shown you guys what I did here. So once again, we disabled this temperature control, which just didn't work, and gave an over freeze or overcooled whoever won this all products. So I disabled this is temperature control. There's no more here. I just don't want to remove it because it's kind of sits on hold this thing. So I'll leave it. I will leave it here. And what I did, I just did my own personal controller here. Put sensor. Now I will tighten everything. We'll do it beautifully. And that's pretty much what it was. So now basically they have controller. They can really work on precise temperatures. Once again, thank you for watching. PacificApplianceRepair.com.